Hi, I'm Michelle from the Digital Capability team. Today I'm going to show you some really cool tips to help you to work smarter on your computer. So we're going to look mainly at the control key today. So the control key is on the bottom left-hand corner of your keyboard. For example, the first one is Control P for print. We hold our control key down and tap the letter P. When we do that, it brings up our print menu, and there we can make sure we can select the number of copies that we want and make sure we're on the right printer. Then we just click on the print button and our document will be printed. The next one we're looking at is Control C, and Control C enables us to copy some text or an image from one place to another. So we end up with two copies, the original and the duplicate that we've copied. So I'm just going to put some text in here, and I'm going to copy this text. So I'm going to hold down the control key and tap the letter C. So when I press Control C, what that does is it puts it on a temporary clipboard and waiting for us to paste it. So in this case I'm just going to paste it down the bottom, so I put my cursor where I want the text to go, and the keyboard shortcut for paste is Control V. So I remember Control V by thinking that well, that's actually an arrow. The V is an arrow pointing down to where I'm going to paste it. So Control V, and there's my copy. So I can copy and paste not just one document, but also I could copy to another document or another program, and perhaps to an email. So we're just going to have a look at how we would copy this to an email. So I'm going to go into my Outlook from my taskbar, or you can double click on it on your desktop if that's where you have it. I'm going to open a new email and put my cursor where I want the text to go, and Control V to paste it. Right, so I'll just go back to my Word document now, and next we're going to look at moving text using Control X. So Control X is for cut, and I remember that keyboard shortcut by thinking, well, the X is like scissors. So this time I'm going to cut it, which means move it from one place to another. Right, so in this case what I will do is I will select this text again, and I'm going to hold the control key down and tap the letter X, and then I'm going to go to where I want to paste it. So perhaps I'll open a new document, and now I'm going to paste it with Control V. So just go back to my original document. Okay, the last keyboard shortcut I'm going to show you at the moment is the function key F7, which is a keyboard shortcut for your spell check. So the F7 is located on the very top row on your keyboard. You'll see F1 through to F12. So I'm just going to click on the key F7, and it brings up my spell check. So there was no mistakes in my document today. In fact, I'll just make one just to demonstrate it. Try that again. Function key F7. It's taken me to my misspelt word, and then I can just replace it with the correct word there. So all of these keyboard shortcuts can be used across a variety of programs. They can be used in Word and Excel, PowerPoint. You can use it often in your email, on Internet Explorer, or many other different programs. So make a note of these keyboard shortcuts, practice them regularly, and before long you will know them off by heart and be saving yourself a lot of time. Hope you enjoy them. Thank you.